My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun tutorial with this pink glam look right here. I got this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick, and I've been wanting to use this as an eyeshadow. So this is in DIVA. Yes, the DIVA has arrived. So I just think this is such a gorgeous pink, and yeah, so if you would like to see how I turned this liquid lipstick into this beautiful look right here, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, rolling with the homies. I do not know why that just popped into my brain, but it did. Alright, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, for my transition color, I'm going to be using ColourPop eyeshadow in Say I Do. It's a very pretty, like, neutral, like, kind of pinkish color. And I'm just going to be using a Morphe E27 or any large blending brush and just putting that in the crease. This doesn't have to be, like, super precise because it's just our transition color. So now I'm going in with this gorgeous shade called For Sure with a Morphe M441, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. I was even kind of like scared to put that such a bright color in my crease, but I promise it's all going to come together in the end and look gorgeous. So just going from inner to outer corner. And now I'm taking this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Diva, which is a beautiful, like, hot pink. And I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. I love using these liquid lipsticks as eyeshadows or as a base for your eyeshadow. They are eye safe, and they just really make the shadow, like, pop. So now I'm going to be taking this color Latchkey, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer third of my eye. I'm just going to kind of be patting it until most of the color is off the brush and on my lid, and I'll, like, bring it into the crease just a little bit, but not too much with this look just because of the liquid eyeshadow. It's going to be hard to really drag it into the crease. So now I'm just going to blend out the edges with the Morphe M441. Now I'm taking the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. I'm going in with this, like, icy white glitter. And so I first start going in with a brush, and the lipstick had dried down, so it wasn't really sticking. So I'm going to end up going in with some of my lit glitter glue. Once I realize it's not sticking. It takes me a minute. I am blonde. So here's the lit glitter glue, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. And I'll try again one more time. So especially this shadow, it just wasn't really going on very well with the brush. So I mean, I definitely get an A for effort. I kept trying, but I eventually give up using the brush and then just go in with my finger, and you'll see what a difference it really makes. Bam! Look at that. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I love the contrast of, like, that white glitter against the pink. So now I'm going to take another ColourPop shadow in Going Steady with a pencil brush, and I'm going to be putting them in the outer corner of my eye. I just kind of make, like, a V shape and blend that in with the lid shade, and then take the previous brush and kind of pat it, just blend it out. And then I'm just gonna finish putting some more color on my other eye. Now to highlight the brow bone, I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Glow Kit and using Pink Heart, which is a really pretty, just like light pink highlighter. Now I'm going in with a ColourPop gel eyeshadow and putting that in my lower lash line.
For sure.
Then I'm gonna go in with For Sure, that color we used before, in a flat definer brush, and put that in my lower lash line. And then blend it out. Then I'm going to be going in with this ILLAMASQA liquid liner, and I'm just going to be putting a thin band of eyeliner on, just something to help hide the lash band. And I'm also going to be tight lining my upper waterline with this NARS eyeliner pencil. So I'm going in with that Pink Heart again and just highlighting the inner corner.
Alright, so for lashes, I used these Kiss Naked Drama Collection Lash Couture and KLC #1. That's what I see for a name. I was gonna wear these Sephora lashes, but I left them upstairs and I didn't feel like getting them, so I just used some lashes that I had down here. But for the lip, I used my Jeffree Star VELOUR liquid lipstick in Skin Tight. So here is the completed look. Blonde wig and all. We just had a Barbie it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video.